Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next, draw the line like this. And then we have to again draw the lines in the straight manner to make a house. So you can see we have made the doors, windows, roof, chimney on the top of the house like this. Now surround it like this with a line. And on the top, make a tree like this on the back of the house. So you can see the house and the tree is covered with snow. Color it if you want, and your house covered with snow is ready. Next, we have to draw a line. Now, make the lines over it, and then we have to make the palace like this. Now, join it as shown in the video. Now, draw the lines as shown in the video like this on the top. Make the doors of the palace. Now, make a heart shape on the top of the gates. Make the flag like this and it's done. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to color the palace. Next is draw a line like this. Now make a roof on the top of the house. Make the lines. Now join them and then make their roof. Now after that we have to join the lines, make the doors. Now make the heart shape like this and make the windows on the top of it like this. Color it and your beautiful palace is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, draw a line like this. Make the roof of the house. Now after that you have to draw the lines as shown in the video. Now make the chimney on the top of the house and then make the doors and the windows of it. Make the lines surrounding the house like this. Make the trees on the back of the house, color it and it's done. Next, take a paper and draw the roof of the house. Draw the lines like this. Make the doors and the windows of it as shown in the video. Now make a chimney on the top. Make the path of the house. Make the trees near the house like this. You can see we are making the trees, bushes and fruits over the tree like this. Color it, make some birds and clouds on the top and it's done. Next, make the roof of the house like this. So you can see how we are drawing the line. Now, make the lines on the house. Now make the doors and the windows of it. Make the chimney of the house on the top. Make the tree near the house like this. Make the path of the house. Make the birds on the sky. Make some clouds and it's done. Next, draw the line. Make the lines like this. Now, join them on the top to make a triangle-like shape. And in the between, make the wall of the palace. Now make a long wall like this. Make the doors and the windows of the palace like this. You can make the flag on the top of each triangle. Draw the lines over it like this. Make the path, color it, and it's ready. Next, draw a line as shown in the video. Join it. Make the triangle on the top of it and then again draw the big lines. Draw the lines on the sides to make the roof like this. Make the doors and the windows of the house. You can make a chimney on the top. Make the path, color it and it's done. Thanks for watching.